Hello my friends, today I'm going to make a short video about a tutorial how to fix whammy bars. Like you can see it, whichever direction I put it, it keeps on swinging. It is loose. I tried many methods to fix it. I even searched for the YouTube, but I couldn't find anything. So finally I found an answer to this problem. All you need is 1.5 mm Allen key. 1.5 mm Allen key, and whenever you press the bar, you can see a screw. Did you see there a black dot? That's a 1.5 mm Allen nut, and with that Allen key you tighten the nut. Okay, let me show you. Bend it down and tighten the nut. And it's done. Your whammy bar won't be swinging around now. See, we fixed it. You don't need to take it to the guitar center or to any technicians to fix this. You just need is an Allen key, 1.5 mm. And that's it, my folks. Share this video to other people who have trouble with this whammy bar, so they can do their own